Hello everybody. I got a new to me Taurus ring saw. So I am eager to play with this thing. It needs a little bit of cleanup, and so the first step is I'm out here outside. I'm going to put a little water in there, get this thing scrubbed up and cleaned up. Got a little brush that attaches to my drill, so I'm going to take care of that first, and then we're going to well, then I'll take you inside and show you what's next. Alright, so here's the unit itself, and I watched an online video that came with this unit when it was sold, and based on watching that video, it seems like everything in here seems relatively new, although it doesn't look like that. But these little gasket grommet things, there's a technical name, look in really good shape. The band, or the saw blade itself, seems like it's in good shape. The belts seem flexible and in good shape. So the only thing I'm going to do, I just you know, might do a little tightening if needed. I also have this lubricating oil, just to, you know, maybe put a little bit, but other than that, I think I'm gonna plug this thing in, fill this reservoir with water, and give it a run and see how it works. All right, so I have filled the reservoir with water. I have put the grid on, putting on my safety glasses, and we're going to turn this on for the inaugural run. We'll see how it goes. Hot diggity dog. That's the first time I've ever used one of these, and seems to be running great. Seems to make good cuts, and I got a project I need this for, so I am thrilled. Short video, but I know that you guys enjoy going on the learning journey with me, and I picked this puppy up nice and cheap. If you want to be jealous, 150 bucks I got for this, so I was very lucky, and came with all the paperwork and everything. So I am going to keep working on my project. That ends this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you all later. Bye bye.